Good morning, guys. Today we're working on 2006 Chevy Silverado. The vehicle failed in emission test, and the customer complained because the check engine light on. Okay, anyway, the check engine light on, automatic fail smoke check, like confirm the customer complaint. As you can see, the engine running right now, but the check engine light came on right there, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and turn the ignition off, turn the key back on, and then read the code and see what we have over here. Okay, we have right here 0442 small evaporate, and 0455 low evaporate. What the hell? Low leak is leaking up to cover the small leak. But why the computer set two codes together? And we have 0894 transmission component slipping. This one maybe need a new transmission. Okay, let's go ahead today, and we'll tell the customer, and we could check to see what caused us evap leak here. What I would like to do, go under the hood and set up everything ready, smoke machine, and now we might find the leak area. Before we do that, let me go ahead and try to go back from here. Go back, and see, we have the engine output control, transmission systems, blah blah blah. Okay guys, we have the evaporative emission evap system. Okay, let's see. Okay, from the evap tap valve is somewhere closer to the per solenoid. You see the per solenoid here, and I will apply the pressure there, and also close the vent valve. This guy normally open when we apply the pressure, and we try to on this valve, let it close. You see the system leakage and will not hold the pressure. Okay, right now we can able to get it on, but to leave it right there, go under the hood and see what we can do over there, set up everything, and let you guys see what's going on. Okay guys, before get everything ready to fire the lid, and we have to jack the vehicle up in the air like this on the driver's side, and let you guys see the vent valve located on this model is somewhere inside there, between, oh man, I don't see it. As you guys can see, it's right here. Here the fuel cap here, let's see, go underneath. Yeah, I don't look like where the vent valve on this. Okay, let's go under the car and under the vehicle and see where they put the vent valve. On this model, the vent valve located here by the manufacturer. So now look like someone is relocation, maybe. Okay guys, this is the chocolate canister in front of the fuel tank. The fuel tank here, this side at the front of the vehicle, as you can see. Yeah, the engine, everything over there, and this one, the chocolate canister. Let's find out where they put the vent valve. Yeah, look like someone. I can see this hole. This was it go to the vent valve. Oh yeah. Yeah, they located the relocation here. This is the vent valve. The one I'm talking about. When I apply the pressure, I will close it valve by turn the valve on. This valve normally open. Okay, let's go under the hood and do something over there and check for the leak. Okay guys, under the hood I have the smoke machine and up here without the air connection. Yes, I have the air hose right here. I will connect it, and always we have the little ball here guys. If no leak, the ball will drop all the way down like that, but if it's leaking, it depends how low it is and bouncing here. And let's see, let me put the camera somewhere and I will put everything on and you guys can see. And also, as you can see over here, this is the per valve. The per valve and the tech valve right here, and we have to uncap this valve and take the straight valve out and connect with the test holes like this. Okay guys, we have the air soft holes connected right there to the tool. As you can see right now, the bars are up there. Let me close it valve, you guys can see. Yeah, it dropped back. Okay, open it. Yeah, see. Okay. Open some more. Let it build up the system factor. Okay, this side I didn't connect it here yet, but let's see guys. Let me close by the finger. Yeah, let's see. Yep, it dropped. Okay. As you can see on the lid here. Let's close it. Yep. Same thing, we have the pressure gauge and the border there. Let me put this in. Let's see. Yeah. After we connect it right here, of course the ball still up there because as you can see on the scan too, it's still not. Okay, let me turn it on. Hopefully, yeah, it's on right now guys. It's on right now. Okay. Wait for a little bit and to see when the system inside the fuel tank and build up the pressure, and you see this bar is bouncing, will go back down or not. Okay, Let me go back in a few minutes. Okay guys, after a few minutes, as you can see on the scan tube, the valve still on, it's still closed, and on the tool, as you can see, the bar still right there, not drop all the way down. And on the gauge, it will some pressure. So now is the time for smoking. Right now I didn't connect to the electrical yet, so now as you can see the indicator right here, when I connect to the battery, let's see, yeah, negative, positive. Okay, as you can see on the tool, the valve still on the tool. Now you see the green light. So now what next? What I would like to do, I apply the smoke to the system, and let's build smoke in about a few minutes, and then let's go ahead and check to see. Hopefully we see the smoke coming out, but hopefully not on the top of the tank. If on top of the tank, the fuel pump seal, the check valve seal, and any hose around on top of the tank, it will be headed. It will be more work than somewhere else. As you can see on this system, on the around the engine bay, as you can see the pearl valve right there, and the test valve, the hose, it's all back to there. Yeah, we don't see any smoke coming out from here. Okay, now let's go under the vehicle and see where the problem. Yeah, as you can see around the fuel cap, I don't see any smoke coming out from here. Yeah, hopefully not. And all around the fuel here, as you can see, no, we don't see the smoke coming out from here. Good. Okay, another vehicle by the charcoal connector. I don't see the smoke, but I smell it. I smell the smoke somewhere over here, and you can see. Sometimes it's hard to see. Oh yeah, I don't know if you guys see in the video, I saw the smoke right now. I see it. Yep, look like it from from the vent valve filter. The smoke coming out from the filter, guys. And what that means this valve glow, but it's not properly glow. So what I would like to do to make sure nowhere else before, tell the customer need to replace the valve. If we call the customer replace the valve, and if they agree to do, after that we can call, hey, now you need the tank because the tank cracked. Hey, now you need a fuel pump seal because the seal leaking. No, not so bad. Okay, what I would like to do to make sure nowhere else, I will disconnect this hole from here. Yeah, let me see. I will disconnect this hole from here, guys, from right here. Yeah. And then I will close hole from here from the chocolate connector and check the gauge, check the tool again to see if it's still leak or not. If we plug this hole, and then no more leaking, the bar on the tool drop all the way down, that means that only leaking on the vent valve. Okay guys, these holes I already disconnected, as you can see right there. I can close this hose by using the plug. I can close it. Yeah, it's hard for me with only one hand. Yeah, like that. Okay guys, from here right now I don't need the valve on anymore because the valve hose already disconnected. So put the scan tool away. As you can see right now, this one is disconnected, and you can see the pressure and the bar still all the way up there. Let's see how fast it is. Turn a little more. Yeah, and reconnect it. Yeah, and now look on the gauge, guys. The pressure build up right now. Yeah, build up. Okay. This step I want to see somewhere else leaking, or just only the vent valve. Okay, right now as you can see the pressure still build up, and as you can see the bar right now drop right there. Wait until it drop all the way down to the bottom, and then we can able to tell the customer that only replace the vent valve. Okay, gotcha. As you can see, the bar right now drop all the way to the bottom, and the pressure build up right there. Okay, let me turn a little more. Yep, seems to be steady. Okay, that's it guys. The vehicle need the new vent valve. Okay guys, I have the vent valve take out from here, but seems to be a little hard for a vacuum test. I don't want to spend time on it to be when we plug the holes, the system no leak no more, and be sure that the valve is back. Okay, and that's it guys. This vehicle need a new vent valve. That's it for the vehicle repair. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.